हाय एवरीवन। आज मैं आपके साथ टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स शेयर करने वाली हूँ रेजन आर्ट के। ये थीम सी बीच का है। जस्ट टू शो यू क्लोजली, इसमें लेसिंग कैसे आती है और डिटेलिंग कैसे आती है। यू कैन सी यहाँ पे ये सैंड वर्क है, थोड़े से स्टोन्स डाले हैं, थोड़े से सी शेल्स डाले हैं। ये मैं आपको बताने वाली हूँ कि कैसे बनेंगे। ये बहुत टाइम के मेहनत के बाद अचीव होता है एक्चुअली। और बहुत से लोग पूछना चाहते हैं, जैसे कि जब मैं अपना रेज़न आर्ट शुरू कर रही थी तो कहाँ से मुझे आइडिया मिलेगा कि कौन सा ब्रांड यूज़ करना चाहिए एंड कैसे आप कितने देर रेज़न को होल्ड करोगे, उसके बाद आपको लेसिंग करनी शुरू करनी चाहिए। ये सब एक काइंड ऑफ सेल्फ डेवलपमेंट था मेरे लिए, क्योंकि इसके बारे में मुझे कोई डिटेल मिला ही नहीं। यू विल गेट मैनी अमेरिकन वीडियोज़ जहाँ पे दे आर मेकिंग इट सो ईजीली दैट यू डोंट अंडरस्टैंड वाई इज़ इट नॉट हैपनिंग विथ मी। मेरे साथ क्यों गड़बड़ हो रही है, रीज़न क्यों नहीं सही से आ रहा है। ये सारी चीज़ें मैं आपसे शेयर करूँगी इस वीडियो में। बहुत सी चीज़ें कवर अप नहीं भी हो पाएंगी, तो आप नेक्स्ट वाले में ट्राई करना। मैं और भी चीज़ें अपलोड करूँगी। कभी कभी फेल्स होते हैं एंड इट्स टोटली ओके, कोई बात नहीं। एक दो बार के बाद आप गिव अप मत करो और एक दो बार के बाद आप कर लोगे। तो ये एक बेसिकली रेजिन नेम प्लेट है, जैसे कि आप देख सकते हो। यहाँ पे मैंने एक्रेलिक कटआउट यूज़ किया है, दिस वन। एंड दीज ऑल आर मेड बाय वन पर्टिकुलर ब्रांड विच आई एम गोइंग टू, दिस इज़ नॉट अ स्पॉन्सर्ड वीडियो और एनीथिंग। मैंने बहुत सारे रेजन्स यूज़ किए और मुझे काफ़ी कंफर्टेबल लगा तुलसी रेजन आर्ट यूज़ करना, तो मैंने वो यूज़ किया। आपको मैं और भी बताऊंगी कि कैसे कलरिंग करनी है, बेस कैसे बनाना है। तो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड विद दैट। So let's start with prepping our base. It's a wooden MDF base. I have used around 3 colors: cobalt blue and sky blue, and another one should be navy blue. So I've shaded, and then shading you have to look closely and just try for a few times. After that you'll get it. Then I have glued the sand just by using normal fabric glue, and then again I have used fabric glue and sticking these seashells and some stones which I have got for my resin geode art. They are more like crystals. Now these are the pigments. One is sea green, one is cobalt blue, and white pigment. As I told you, I'm using tools. I'm so sorry for my weighing scale. A resin ruins it, no matter how clean you are. So every time I try to use a fresh box, because if you can see the resin clearly, then it helps you out with the dirt and the dust, whatever goes inside, just to keep it clean and clear. Now taking 2:1 proportion ratio and mixing it up. You have to mix it for about 1 minute, and if the bubbles are forming, don't worry about it. You just let the resin settle, and bubbles, they themselves get them out. Now keep few boxes or glasses as per the need of your resin quantity. Like for white I use a really small spoon kind of thing, and then for other colors I've used glass. See, this is the spoon that I've used for white pigment, because you need very less quantity for this. Just mix it up really well. So start with the clear resin. Just make a thin layer of clear resin. This we do this so that it doesn't get into the sand part, because color will show there, so it just acts like a barrier between the sand part and the sea part. then use the lightest color that you have made. And you don't need to fill the resin in the whole area. Just spread it over where you want to get those beautiful lasers. I'm so sorry for the video quality here. I think my camera got disangled. So now we are putting a very thin layer. It's about half a centimeter layer of white pigment. I am making 2 lines. I'll spread it out in one go. You can make it separately also, but I will relayer it. That's why I'm doing it like this. This is just to show you how does it work. Be very, very patient. If you do it in hurry, chances are more that it will be ruined. Now blow torch it. So torch really helps with the bubbles. You might not realize, you might not think this is important, but the heat really releases the bubbles and gives you that very glossy finishing for all over your artwork. So this is how it spreads. Just to show you, I have put another layer as well. If you feel something is off, just go over and just go one. You can only do it twice, not thrice. Just 2 times are enough. Otherwise, it will just become lumpy. So you would want to just see the lace forming here. Wait for 5 minutes, 10 minutes. It totally changes. It doesn't stay the same. So even if you feel like I should, use the heat gun more, don't use it. So here I am again layering it. If you're not satisfied, like I was not very satisfied with the outcome, so I did another layer of white part. I think here you'll be able to see better. So just put a thin layer. Now the blowtorch thing, it's kind of you're warming it up for the formation of lace. Now heat gun. See how slowly it moves. Don't worry about the borders. You can redo the borders. So gradually you move forward. And then redo the borders. Like this. very thin layer. As you can see, the complete look is coming along. Now let's go to the next part. Let it dry first. So here we are at the next part. You might be thinking it is looking so messy, but just wait for it. So here I like to stick my fonts because resin is very slippery. So when you do the last coat, and also you can see, make the adjustments and see if it is centered or not. Here I felt it was not centered, so I rechanged it. And then you remove the acrylic film, and please don't touch it after removing the film, because it will just take your fingerprint or anything comes over it, it will be fixated forever. Now with a very soft cloth, just clean the area. I like to use my brush to get the sand particles or dust particle off of this, and then pour a good amount of resin. Don't put a small, you just can't be layering it with a tiny quantity. You just need good quantity of resin to cover it all up. Otherwise there will be a small void or some area which you don't like, and then you have to redo it, so there is no point. See, you see the sides, there is less resin, you can see some sort of voids, so I just mixed more, and this is how my other nameplates look. Thank you for watching.